Happy Independence Day to everyone, and we have organized a ride for Independence Day. You see all the motorcycles for Honda, and we are at Udupi Sairada Heritage, the beach resort. Every year we come here. This is the third year in a row that we are celebrating Independence Day at Sairada, and they've been a humble host. They've made sure every time we come, we get the kind of hospitality that they want to offer. So it's been a lovely ride as well. Wow, and welcome back to Weekend on Wheels, and I'm Girish. Today we are riding with Honda Bigwing as a part of Independence Day, and this ride is towards Kapu, and we are riding to Saira, the beach resort. So this has been our regular spot for the last couple of years. In the last 2 years, we've been riding to Sairada Beach Resort, a fantastic place. A good breakfast has been organized, and we are about 20 bikers today. So the footage that you're seeing currently is from DJI Osmo 360. Let me know in the comments what do you think of the footage clarity, and also the recording is happening directly from my intercom, that is Blue Armor C50. So I've connected Blue Armor C50, so I'm not using a mic, directly using that and recording. So for the first time ever, what we've done is we've collaborated with non-Honda riders as well. So this is organized by Bigwing, but then this is open to all rides. So we have a lot of non-Honda riders as well who joined us for this ride. So we've got an ST Adventure, we have two X-Pulse, we've got an RX, we've got EST, then we have a couple of other motorcycles joining. So next set of people will join near NITK, and after that the next set of people will join at Padbitri. That's where we will finish the entire set. So it's a lovely day to start. When we came into the showroom, it was cloudy, but now it's turning out to be a little sunny, which is good. And I'm okay with anything, whether it rains or does not rain. I'm comfortable with that. Let's start our ride. So the Osmo 360 can shoot at 8K as well, compared to the X3 that I use, that is the Insta 360 X3. It can only shoot up till 5.2K. So I want to see what's the difference in footage, and also a lot of feature that this particular unit offers. From the size comparison point of view, this looks very compact, neat. The build is very nice. It has a nice matte finish on the overall unit body size. It has a nice display, where on the Insta 360 X3 the display is vertical. On the Osmo 360 the display is horizontal. So this motorcycle, what you're seeing now, was used in Ladakh. So Pratik was riding this motorcycle, so I was using the anniversary edition black color for my Ladakh ride. So here we are outside the city, so almost reaching Bapanadu Dole. And here the weather has changed. Now you have a little cloudy weather here, and I'm sure a little ahead it's raining. And look at the water out here, it's completely filled. Yeah, it's been raining badly here in Mangalore for the last couple of days. Until Monday, it's expected to rain like that. So one of our rider was supposed to join here at Bapanadu, but then because of rain, where that is Kinigoli, he is joining from Mudbitri. Kinigoli, there's rain, he said, that's why he's slowed down a little bit. It takes some time to join us, but then yeah, so now we're continuing. And then Padubidri will have Siddhant joining us, who had come to a Ladakh ride. So this motorcycle that I'm riding now has gone through a complete transformation. post Ladakh ride. So the tank that you see now is a new tank. This was originally the blue and the white strip tank. Now they've changed the tank to the new edition color. The exhaust is changed now again. They've put a new exhaust to the motorcycle. And yeah, it started raining. Avattund Varsa avattund good signs. And Mulu board vattund. Sairada Heritage. Yes, we'll read. Yeah, so just entering the Sairada Heritage Beach Resort. ಅದಾದೆ ನೀರು ರಡ್ಡು ಮೂಜಿ ಉಂಟು ಕೂಡ ಉಂಟು ಕೂಡ ಇತ್ತು ವಿರೋಧ ಮನ್ಪುಗ ಎಷ್ಟು ಈಜಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಆಯ್ತು ಓಪನ್ ರೈಡ್ ಅತ್ತೆ ಈ ಟೈಮ್ ಅವು ಎಷ್ಟು ಓಂಕಾರ್ ಬಂದು ನಮ್ಮನ ಎಂತ ಯಾರ ಹಾ ಫೋಟೋಶೂಟ್ ಒಂದು ಇತ್ತು ನಂಗೆ ನೀನು ರೆಡ್ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಾ 360 ಪಾಡ್ದು ಒಟ್ರಾಸಿ ಫುಟೇಜ್ 720 ಫುಟೇಜ್ ತಂದೆ ತೂಕ ಹೆಚ್ಚಾಪು ನಂದು ಇತ್ತು ತೆಪ್ಪೆರ ತೆಪ್ಪೋಲಿ ಅವ ಎಡಿಟಿಂಗ್ ಮಂಡೆ ಅಲ್ಲ ಅದು ಹೋಗು ಹಾ ಹಾ ಅಂಚಣ್ಣ ಅಂಚಣ್ಣ X3 ಅನ್ನ ಅಂಚಣ್ಣ ಏತಾಂಡು ಅಂದತೆ ಐಕೇನ್ ಬಂದಿನ ಅಂಚ ಮನ್ಕ ಕಾಂಡೆ ಎಟ್ಟೆ ನವಿಲೆ ಪುಂಡಿ ಆಕ್ಚುಲ್ ನವಿಲು ಮುಂದತ್ತು ನಮ್ಮ ನವಿಲೆ ಅತ್ತು ಗಾಡಿ ಒಂಚೂರು ಜಾರೊಂದು ಉಂಡು ಮಾರು this is Sairada Heritage. Go a little further and take a right. And we have our entire fleet of motorcyclists. Yes. So this is the third year in a row that we are coming here to celebrate Independence Day. There we enter Sairada Heritage. Wow, look at the beach. You are open to go anywhere as long as you know your safety. Oh man, look at the roughness of the beach. Park it comfortably. Delay. Yeah, so I don't know how the recording has been so far and the vocals. Hope this works. And here we are at Sairada Heritage. Let's stop recording and get back in a bit. And this is the lineup of our motorcycle for the day, and there are a couple of motorcycles still coming in. They're on the way. The photo shoot is happening, but then this is the lineup. And here we are at Sairada. Look at the beach. It is super rough. And those are all the cottages here at Sairada. Look at this. Wow. It's super rough. And so we have a lot of riders today and few non-Honda riders. So we've got the X-Pulse and then the Royal Enfield RX ASD is on its way, and the breakfast is also set here. Yeah. here's the lineup for Independence Day. So now we are going to do a flag hoisting here at Sairada Beach Resort.